Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting these verticals finished up. This was the one that didn't have paint on it. It was just going to be seasoned with linseed oil. So all I'm doing is getting a good fire going in here. I used an old basket I had laying around so I didn't have to burn in theirs. But then it's just a matter of getting this oil all over it after it's good and hot. You're going to want to wear a welding glove or something doing that because it will get hot. I just wanted to get it done before I put anything back on it. The tables will get sprayed with a clear coat in the bottom. But anyway, I got that on, letting it bake in for a while. And then I'll pull the basket out, let it cool down, then put the basket back in and do it again. And that was it there. I didn't get a whole lot of video on it. I forgot. But that's it. You'll still have to oil it a few times before it gets set in real good. But just heating it and then putting that oil on and then putting it on again when it's letting it cool down so it don't burn off. It'll soak in there pretty good. But anyway, while all that was soaking in and I was painting the other smoker, I started cutting out a fire pit. I'm fixing to get it put together. I'll probably do it on the next video. But I wanted to show getting it cut out and everything. I also went ahead and cut out another vertical and started putting it together. I got paint drying on it now. But this fire pit is a little bit different than the ones y'all been seeing. It's the same one. It's the bigger one, the 48 inch. But it's got a couple different things going on it. This is the bottom of it right here. It'll have a little slide vent where ashes can fall out if you want. And that's going to pretty much do it on this one. I just wanted to show those verticals that I was building in the last couple videos. And I got all three of those done and the fourth one with the paint drying on it now. And show this fire pit coming up. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.